So here we are in Rahila's kitchen. When I arrived, this is what she had, a 2-pot boiler. And that's it. No fridge. You get your milk your milk comes in a plastic bag every day. And see this yellow thing? This is heated up with this element. Then you tip it into a giant big drum of cold water, and then I ladle that on top of myself for my shower. That's how you clean yourself. Hilarious. Rahila had 3 plates, 3 bowls, 3 spoons for herself, her mother, and me. But we've gone big, so I have helped Rahila out. This guy here is now installing a water purifier so that we can drink the water, because water in Kabul is, let's just say, I've been going at both ends for 2 weeks now. I got her a toaster. She now has an oven. And this was the biggest luxury. I got her a coffee machine because after 14 years in New Zealand, she loved her coffee and was missing it. So this is the kitchen. We're still missing a fridge. So we want to try and raise money to help her get a fridge because, what's a kitchen without a fridge? But this is the setup here. And if we come out here, you'll just see they're finishing, this guy's finishing, this is the cutting table, just finishing the final layer on top of it, so the machine runs on it. The fabric bolts go onto that, and we run it all the way down there. Oh, and there's some little neighbours, some little kitties. Okay, while the camera's rolling, I might as well keep showing you what else is around here. This is the way we come into the sewing room. And here are my clothes for the day, and Rahila will never let me get dressed without ironing my clothes first, because that's a sign of being a complete pleb, and wearing unironed clothes is just disgraceful. So she irons my clothes for me every morning, which is somewhat comic. This is an empty room, but this is where the ironing, the folding, packaging, and getting ready to send will be taking place. This is the front door, goes down, out into the front of the compound, and then out onto the street. This here is Rahila's office and the lunchroom and the general gathering room of all the women. It's a place where everyone meets. And you're going to be appalled when you see what my bedroom. Suitcases exploded everywhere. This is where I am staying right now. There's no cupboards, there's no hangers, everything's just on the floor. There is no furniture. And then if we come out onto the deck, this is Kabul, and it's been raining. The rain from Dubai seems to have followed me. Half of Kabul's now, half Afghanistan's underwater. And that's really what we can see from here. And I won't show you the rest because that's her mum's and Rahila's private living quarters. But that's us.